Hi everyone, today I'm going to be creating a colourful eye makeup look, and this is going to be a change from what I'm used to because obviously I don't tend to wear colourful eyeshadow or anything like that, so yeah, I'm just going to crack on with it, and I hope you like it. So I'm just starting off by priming the face with some Revlon Rose Glow, and I just squeeze a few drops to disperse the pearls into my hand and just rub it in, and then pat it on my face all over just to prep my face before applying anything. And then I'm using some L'Oreal primer for my eyelids, and this just helps the makeup look better when it's on, the eyeshadow. And then I'm going over the eyelids, the entire eyelid, up to the eyebrows with some concealer and a little bit underneath, just to create a nice blank canvas. And then I'm using the Colourful palette and I'm going in with a nice pink. And then I'm just applying the eyeshadow all over the crease using a really small brush, and then I'm just winging it out at the ends. So using some small circular motions, I'm just going all the way around the crease. When you're doing this, just make sure you're using the brush really lightly. And you get more product on the eye in the end anyway by doing it lightly. Keep adding the product slowly just to build up the colour. And then just keep blending the colour out until the harsh line's gone. And then I'm just bringing the colour down to the outer corners of my eyelid. And then using a flat concealer brush, I'm just going along the bottom eyelid with the pink colour just to bring it all in. And then I've just sprayed another concealer brush with some e.l.f. setting spray. And I'm just patting a nice deep purple colour onto the outer corners of my eyelid. And again, I'm just patting on and going in slowly with this colour, adding more and more depth. I'm going all around the crease, but making sure the pink's still coming through. And then I'm just buffering it out between the pink and the purple. And then neating up any mess with some concealer between your eyebrows and your eyeshadow. And then I'm just using a brush to just brush off any powder fall. And then using some e.l.f. spray and a concealer brush, and a clean one, I'm just patting the wet concealer brush into some sparkly blue eyeshadow and then applying it to the inner corners of my eye, enabling the pink and the purple to show through. So I'm not going too far over the halfway mark. It's just before the halfway mark, if you will. And then I'm finishing off with some liquid eyeliner. And this just makes the colours pop because it gives it a nice border. And then I'm just filling in my eyebrows. And this just helps the look to appear more intense. And then to end the look, I'm just finishing off with some foundation. I'm just neatening up my wings. And I'm applying some sort of silvery, glittery eyeshadow just to dab on the blue to the inner corners of my eye, just to bring a bit of attention to that part of the eye. And then I'm just contouring my face. And I'll do a separate tutorial on how I contour my face. I have to do it a certain way because it's quite a long shaped face. Just applying some thick volumizing mascara. And to the inner parts of my waterline, I'm just applying some blue sparkly Barry pencil liner. And applying some pink blusher. And then I'm just going over my lips with some pink lip liner. I'm just using some Rimmel pink lipstick here. And then I just dab it on my cheeks as well, just to match the whole look, the pink from the eyes and the lips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.